Hello everyone. Start off by taking a rectangular strip of cloth and then stitch it after folding it in half. Now add your rubber band to it and then join both the ends of the cloth around this rubber band and proceed to stitch around it as such. Now continue to do this until the entire cloth has been stitched around the rubber band. Keep pushing the rubber band further and further as you go. Now once you reach the end of it, you may tie it up or rather stitch it up. And once you have stitched it up, before you completely stitch it up, reverse the side of your cloth in order to make it the right side. Now once you have reversed it, you may finally stitch in the last portion of it as well. That is the portion of it that has been left unstitched. As for the inner layer of the rubber band, you may either choose to use a rubber band or you may also use some elastic. Now finally, this is what it should begin to look like. Next, we'll be learning how to make the zip bag. In order to do so, start by taking the two sections of the zipper and then begin to slightly fold it up. Take a small measurement of it and then begin to stitch it as such. Make it a square-like stitch. Keep moving it as you do so. Stitch the two of them together as such. Fold it up into half and then stitch it over once more. That is, fold the top end downwards and stitch it on top of this. This should give you this kind of shape and then close it on the top. Start off by taking a square of this cloth. Now add some cotton cloth on top of it to act as a lining and iron it on. Now after this, stitch up the four sides of it. But before you do so, add the zipper onto two of the sides. Do this on both the opposite sides as such. Once you are done with this, add another layer of lining on top of this. Once again, stitch it on. Leave it completely stitched except for one portion of it through which you will reverse the cloth. Now once you reverse the cloth, begin to stitch it over once again. Finally, join the two together on either side. Two of the sides should be left unstitched. Now join the two together by joining the zipper as such. Reverse the cloth once more and then make a small diagonal cut through it. Afterwards, you may make a small slit on either side of it as well. Once you have done this, slightly fold it up and then do it in this shape. Put a little strip of cloth through it and then afterwards stitch the sides together. Do this on either side of it. This way, once you reverse it, these cloths will be on the right side. Now, once you have reversed your cloth, this is what it should begin to look like. That is, it should be the right side facing up. You may reverse it in order to make it the right side for the zipper as well. The pink layer could be the inner layer. Now, make a small little square cut on the side of your little pouch. Do this on the bottom and the top as such. That is on all four sides. Now make it more vertical and stitch it up as such. Once you do this, once again, you may reverse the side of it and then you should be left with the pink facing outside. Make sure that you stitch up the back as well. That is the pink layer of it and then stitch it back in. Reverse the cloth once more, or rather your pouch. Now take this cloth and then open it up as such. Make sure that it is a little bit elastic and warm. Take a chalk, fold it into half and then trace out the shape of your hand onto it. Make it a rough trace as such. Once you are done with this, you may cut out this particular shape. Once you are done cutting it out, remove the excess and don't forget to do this out of the white lining cloth as well. This will help keep the hands all the more warmer. Now cut off the sides of it, that is the excess portions of it. Stitch it together and then reverse your piece of cloth. Once you have reversed your piece of cloth, begin to stitch it all together. Next, we will start off by taking a cloth piece. We will be learning how to make this beanie. In order to do so, start off by taking a rectangular piece of cloth, fold it over, and then at the base, at around 3/4 through the base, fold it over diagonally as such. Join it together and lift it up, and then make it join the top section. Once you have done this, slightly spread it out, join it to each corner as such, and then stitch up the side of it as such. Do this until you reach the base. Now, once you have done this, keep a small portion of it unstitched, and then reverse it to bring it to the right side as such. Thank you for watching.